Hey guys, Vikas here. So you're just trying to download an app, and every single time the App Store asks for your Apple ID password, even for free apps. And honestly, it gets really annoying really fast. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. And in this video, I'll show you two settings that'll stop it for good. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the first fix, the password settings for downloads. Open up settings. Now tap on your name at the very top. Then tap Media and Purchases. Now tap Password Settings. Okay, so here you'll see two sections. Under Free Downloads, you'll see a switch that says Require Password. Just turn that off. And while you're here, under the Purchases and In-App Purchases section, I'd set it to Require after 15 minutes instead of Always Require. Because if it's set to Always Require, it'll keep asking you every single time. So switch that over. Now tap Done, and for most people, that fixes it right there. But here's the thing, sometimes you do this and the App Store still keeps asking. And if that's happening to you, there's a second hidden culprit, and that's screen time. So let me show you. Go back to Settings, tap on Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on at the top, tap into it and let's check a couple things. First, scroll down and make sure installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases are all set to allow. And then, this is the key part, look for the Require Password heading and make sure it's set to Don't Require, not Always. Set it to Don't Require because that one little setting, that's what forces your iPhone to demand a password for every free app, even after you turned it off in the first menu. So switching it to Don't Require is what actually solves it for a lot of people. Alright, once you've done both of those, let's test it. Restart your iPhone real quick, then open the App Store and hit Get on any free app, and it should download instantly, no password prompt. Now one quick tip, if it's still asking after all that, just sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. That refreshes everything and clears out any stubborn glitch. So real quick, to recap, first go to Media and Purchases, turn off Require Password for free downloads and set purchases to after 15 minutes. Then check Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure password is set to Don't Require. And if needed, sign out and back in. So I hope this helped you stop those annoying password prompts. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes. And I'll catch you guys in the next one here on Vikas Tech.